Quite often our potential clients ask me how long to deliver their order, usually 1,000 ton or 2,000 ton. Currently, I have an order of 1,000 ton. We deliver in last 2 days, but it was delayed because of the snow in the factory area, and also because of the weekend. Then I dig out our information. We deliver 500 ton to get a more real number. In that contract, we need to deliver 5,000 ton to our client. The contract is 5,000 ton plus and minus 2%. We deliver in 2 days, October 9th and October 10th. That's the net weight we weigh in our factory, and here's the number we unload to the tank terminal that's by the tank terminal company. The final number is only within 2%, and even the number in the tank terminal is a little bit higher than our number, 1%. So we use this 5,011.82 tons compared to the contract number we deliver plus 2.3%. It's a little bit over the contract within 2%, and the reason is we rent the truck, we pay them for each load, not by weight, so it's understandable for us and our client. Maybe we will go over that bit, and so they do accept that, and also we did give them a head up before they're okay with that. So for us it's very easy. We deliver every day around 200-300 tons, no problem. And of course some special case like in pandemic, and very hard to get the truck driver, and also very difficult from one location to another, and for some contracts we really take us a long time to deliver, and for after pandemic it become now it's quite normal now. So if we prepare well, we can deliver more than this. So let me know, we can arrange this much better. Okay.